Here's my secret to a cleaner, greener laundry routine that's gentle on the planet and on your clothes. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own all-natural laundry detergent. It's super simple, eco-friendly, and leaves your laundry smelling amazing. We're going to create a DIY laundry detergent using soap nuts, grapefruit, and Cypress essential oil. Not only will you avoid the chemicals and harsh scents found in store-bought products, but you'll also save money while being kind to the environment. Store-bought detergents are often loaded with toxic chemicals and artificial fragrances that you don't want on your skin or in your home. But with this recipe, you can feel good about the detergent you're using. Everything is all natural, safe, and effective. So turn off all distractions because making is healing. Let's make this Cypress and grapefruit liquid laundry detergent from Simply Earth. In your kit, you will get 1 cup of soap nuts. This is an all-natural detergent. Cypress essential oil. This will help detoxify. And grapefruit essential oil. This helps deodorize. And natural solubilizer. This helps keeps the oils and waters mixed together. And GeoGuard ECT preservative. This helps make your recipe last longer. 2 16-ounce bottles. And you will also get labels. Half a cup of vinegar, this is optional, and you'll also need 4 cups of distilled water. In a pot, combine soap nuts and distilled water and cover. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Continue cooking the soap nuts for 1 hour or until they become pale brown in color. Stay nearby while the soap nuts cook. Remove the mixture from the heat, strain out, and discard the soap nuts. Allow the remaining mixture to cool to room temperature. Replace any water lost during the heating phase to get back to 32 fluid ounces. In a small bowl, add the essential oils. While stirring, slowly add the natural solubilizer. Add the preservative and stir. Once the soap nut mixture has cooled, slowly pour a small amount of soap nut water, about half a cup, into the essential oil mixture and stir to combine. Pour your mixture from step 4 into the large batch of soap nut water and stir until thoroughly combined. Pour into bottles and label. To use, add 1/8 to a 1/4 cup of liquid soap nut laundry soap to your washing machine. For a natural fabric softener, add 1/2 cup of vinegar to the wash load. The soap nuts will give the laundry detergent a cider-like aroma that won't be noticeable after washing. To preserve the light cypress and grapefruit scent to your clothes, air dry or use a cool dryer setting. You can also look up our grapefruit and cypress linen spray recipe at simplyearth.com. Here are some tips. If you prefer to make your laundry soap preservative free, you can omit the preservative and freeze the mixture in an ice cube tray to be used as needed. Soap nuts are considered safe to use in HE washing machines. This recipe was also tested in an HE washing machine. Wow, this smells amazing and my clothes feel soft and clean without all those chemicals. You can make this too. See how easy and fun it is to make your own laundry detergent. Grab your DIY natural liquid detergent kit from Simply Earth today. I can't wait to see your creations. Share on social media by tagging From Simply Earth and using #IMadeThis. Join our #IMadeThis challenge to win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. And if you like this video, be sure to check out all these other DIY recipes on the screen right after this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun natural projects.